sad this theater closed. I mean, it was kind of crappy, but it was the one right by campus. I've been here since I was a child. Coming soon, more like coming never.
Hello? We're here to remember an old friend. Honestly, I'm sad to say, I can't even remember what my first was with this place, but there's just too many to count.
My first was Lord of the Rings, Return of the King. Maybe it was The Two Towers. Like 2001. I was so tiny.
We're old. Quarter of a fucking century. God, maybe it was Return of the King that I saw here. Maybe Star Wars, maybe Tron. Too many to count.
What was our last movie we watched here?
I saw Tenet, which sucked.
Our last movie together, I think, was Cats, right?
Star Wars. Was Star Wars or Cats?
Star Wars was before Cats, thank God.
Yeah, well, okay, I'm okay with Cats being the last. We saw plenty of bad movies here, my first job at this movie theater, man. Paid the bills, free movies, free dates.
I met Harry here. I met Eric here. I want to say I met Eric here. I met them all. I met good friends.
It's a goddamn Actually, it's not a shame. This theater's a piece of shit, but she was reliable. Okay, I'll never forget the time that
she put out.
Dude, she put out it to anyone, even for the rats. Okay, the rats were always there for us.
What's an insider secret working at this theater?
Insider secret. We would sometimes use hot dogs that were a day old. Sorry, man. Okay, like movie theater business, you don't make money really. I mean, now you don't, but yeah, we use day old hot dogs. We never got rid of the rat problem. They were always there. But we're here at Lennox to pay our respects because she's always been there for us through the best and the worst of times.
They already took the logo off of the building.
The letters are gone, but Lennox still stands. The Lennox 24, waiting to shine again. Anew. We're, of course, again here to pay our respects. Today's brand is White Rascal. It's a Belgian ale. I did not pick this, but it's what God gave us in our moment of need.
I remember walking up to this theater so many times. This is sad.
Through all 4 seasons.
Yeah, through the worst of times. I saw both the Avengers here. I had Movie Pass here, and I gave them no money that whole time, but whatever.
Lights are still on. Had to happen sometime. Nothing lasts forever.
We're pouring one out for an old friend.
Lennox, this one's for you.
Just like that.
All the good times, all the bad times. This is for everyone, man. You're good to us, Lennox. See you in hell.
Rest in peace to an old friend. I don't know. A lot of good things happen at this movie theater. A lot of bad movies happen in this movie theater, but I don't know. All good things coming to an end. It's my last time ever getting in the car after going to this theater. I mean, if this counts.